This is my first Python video in which I'm going to tell you how to make a square. So let's start. First, I open the script mode in Python, which is the new file. So here I have my script mode. Here I will type import total dot forward, then I will start a bracket and put 100, and I will close my bracket, and I will type total dot right, then I will start a bracket and put 90. I'll close my bracket. Now I will copy this code and place it 4 times. So here is my first time. Here is my second time. And here is my third time. Now I'll go to the run and press run module. Then it will be saved, and here our square is ready.